Hi chat, welcome to another stream. How are we all doing today? What the fuck day is it? It is Monday, February 13th of 2023. We are back for yet another stream. Plan for today is to work on pre-commit.ci lite, which I never really finished. It works-ish. But, yeah, it's not really done. So we're gonna try and get it at least to the part where I don't feel like I should work on it for a while. Which is mostly just making status pages work and then setting up the paid tier so that if people want to pay for it, they can. Because currently they can't. it just silently does nothing when people want to use it on private repos, which yeah, not the greatest, not the best. It's also auto update day, which we actually haven't looked at auto update day in months. So I figure we bring up the graphs and take a peek at those. But yeah, that's planned for today. Went to work today. Oh yeah, we have a new Pokemon thing happening below. We have a new Pokemon thing happening below. It is currently trying to find the shiny Rapidash G. Let me say hi to everyone who's here. JJMC was first. Hello, hello. S1 Cube's also here. Grandpa's iPad, how you doing? Marsha says, patiently waiting for ads before spamming. Walker Codes is also here. It's 3 already. I guess you're on West Coast. Yes, it is 3 already. That is the time of the day in your time zone, you time traveler, you. Marsha's here. Alright, say hi to Marsha. Hi, Marsha. Zero Dan 1. Hello, hello. Welcome back. It's been a bit. Good to see you again. Dr. Mario Q, good to see you again. I just wonder if you're being laid off. Oh, no. That's not a good one. Choco's also here. Hello, hello. Hi, Choco. Hi, Choco. Hi, Choco. Wait, do I still have the JavaScript? Where did I post the JavaScript? Where? Yeah, here. Oh. Is this gonna work? Is stream gonna hear this? I don't know if stream's gonna hear this. Wait, what the fuck? Where's... what? Why does it not have the good voice? What? What do you mean? Where's the good voice? There we go. Why didn't it work the first time? I don't know. I don't know why it didn't work the first time. Anyway, there we go. Charisma, hello, hello, welcome back. Good to see you again. Marsha says, I'm already looking at the pre-commit paragraph test, even though I was saying I want to do something else. Well, the paragraph tests are pretty straightforward, I think. Grams iPad said, is that the free tier private repo one? Well, I don't know it's gonna be free, but it's gonna be way cheaper than pre-commit.ci Classic. Chaga says, can you tell the otter joke? I don't even remember what the fucking context was at this point. Yeah, what were we even talking about? I don't even know how to properly contextualize this, because now that if I just tell you straight the punchline, you're gonna be like, what the fuck, Anthony? What is wrong with you? This is apparently a fact that Juicebox Hero taught me. Well, it's not apparently a fact. Juicebox told me this, and it is apparently a fact. That is the more ambiguous way to say this. Otters are one of the many animals that use tools. I guess many animals. One of the few animals that use tools, because not too many animals use tools. And otters have like a little pocket kind of in their armpit where they store their tools. Usually it's like little rocks and other stuff like that. But one of the things that particularly male otters do is they will find their favorite fish. A dead favorite fish. and they will store that in their pocket. And and as Juice says, it's their little fish light. And that's the joke. But apparently very real things that otters do. Meat Sauce, hello, how you doing? Preox is also here. How we doing? Ours says everything's always straightforward, but I hick it up somehow. That's fine. Won't worry about it. Won't worry about it. John Everyone's also here. Hello, how you doing? That's so bad. Yeah, it's not not exactly a PG stream topic, but I just think the pun is so perfect. But anyway, since today is Monday, it is Updog Day. Which means we have a graph. The only one that I know that's updating today is MyPy. Ooh, auto update that letter. Oh, that's not good. That usually means something is broken. It is not the first Monday of the month, so we're not even gonna get the monthly spike either. But looks like that one big spike in the middle. But other than that, it's mostly handling the load. But you can see right when auto update day starts, which is right here. I used to pre-scale, but I think I turned that off because it didn't do anything. The auto scaling is good enough at its job. Well, before we jump into things, let's see what's in Deadletter and figure that out. I don't have alert on this one because I don't really care about whether it's successful or not. Let's see. I don't remember how to do this. This button, maybe? Formlessness. Let's see what's fucked up with this repo. Let's see if this repo even exists. Oh. Yeah, Travis exists. Travis works at Netflix. Wow. This repo exists. They got an auto update day last week. What is this? That sounds similar. No? They got a PR. Oh, it was an old ass PR. Oh, but it first pushed 2 weeks ago, so it only failed last week. Interesting. Weird. And pre-commit.ci appears to still be enabled. Oh. Oh. Or not. So they merged the PR and then they were like, nah, turned off the system. Interesting. Very interesting. Well then. Yeah, don't know what that's about. But that's fine. Perhaps that's why it failed. I could probably find the error message. Sent February 6th. Oh, this is from last week's auto update. It's not even from this week's. Let's see if we can find the error message. Groups. There's a theory if we can find the right error message, then we could, like if it's a intentional failure, we can just adjust for that. And then it won't be a problem in the future. Who does it make more chili? My manager is making chili today. The Endless Liver! Hello, how you doing? It's going. My script is stuck. What the fuck? I can nudge it along, but I'm gonna have to watch the footage and figure out why it got stuck. There's something with the startup where if it lags too much or in the wrong direction, like it gets to this. Oh, it's never gonna succeed. Never mind. This might be enough to unstick it. Are you gonna figure it out now? Weird. Very weird. Anyway, script's a little buggy, but it's only been running for 1 day, so yeah, that'll be fine. Oh, it's only been running for 1 day, but I have gotten oops. I think I gotten not 1 shiny Pokemon, not 2 shiny Pokemon, but where's but where the fuck is it? We're in here. I'm in a meeting, so this is my meeting face. But 3 shiny Pokemon. And that's me noticing the shining, being like, oh, that's kind of cool, I guess. Oh, you can't see the meeting face because it's behind the camera. Okay, I will show you the meeting face. Here you go. This is meeting face. And meeting face, and then me noticing the shiny Pokemon. Here, well, I'll give you that satisfaction since I laughed about it. But there's shiny Metagross, and then me hearing the shiny noise and being like, oh, I guess it's shiny. And then a little smirk. Anyway. All 3 of those are way under odds. Like, this is supposed to be, the reset takes about 45 seconds, and it's 1 in 1365. So the expected value is supposed to be around 17 hours, so getting 3 in 1 day is kind of nuts. But hopefully I can get 4 in 1 day. That'd be kind of cool. We can't see. Yeah, okay, yeah, I fixed it. Sorry. My bee. Look very concerned about what is happening in that meeting. Yeah, basically the meeting was like, a bunch of people were like, yeah, Dev Infra is just gonna do all this for us, right? And I'm like, I didn't say that. But we'll make it happen. But yeah, I had camera off, so it didn't. My facial expression was hidden from the rest of the meeting because, yeah, you kind of have to put on a face. But anyway, I took a TensorFlow Cures class, put together a model, and started training on a server and forgot about it. It's been 3 weeks and it's still running. Glad I don't have to pay the power bill. Oh. Polymathic Man! Whoa. It's been a while. It's good to see you again with 30 months of subdom. Holy shit. Thank you for your continued support. Welcome back. Hello. Reminds me of the face I need to wear during more monitoring will fix it right meetings at work. Oof. Stonfish says I get invited to meetings just for my facial expressions. That's good. I have a difficult meeting. Is it next week or is it the week afterwards? I think it's next week. We have this system for testing stuff right now that I have been banging the drum to delete it since I joined. Basically, we take like 4 or 5 gigabytes of images of the website and then assert that none of the pixels change between the mainline branch and your feature branch. And 50% of branches fail this check. And I'm like, look, even if this caught regressions, people are just gonna fucking ignore it. Which actually happened. I sampled one week of data, and there were 2 regressions that happened. One of them was caught by a different test, and when they fixed that other test, it fixed the regression. The other regression was rubber stamped and it made its way to prod. Yeah. The Sliver says, how did your design work? You started on stream, continue. Oh, yes. So that was actually the same meeting where I was like, I need to delete this thing. Everyone was like, yeah, sounds good. Thanks for saving us 200 to 300 milliseconds on every page load. And so I've started working on that. Unfortunately, there's a lot of like, I need to have this thing done to get this thing to work, to make that happen, to make this thing happen. And so it's a lot of like herding sheep. Except the sheep are computers and YAML files, and yeah, mostly YAML files. But yeah, that plan is in motion. I've started to work on it, which is cool. But yeah, basically presented what we designed on stream, and they're like, "Yep, sounds good. Send it." Ideal gas. Hello. Good to see you again. We love brittle tests. You're fine, Marsha. It happens all the time. Greg says a few of the meetings I've been in get a tricky on. Oh my god, why is this sentence so fucking hard for me to read? I have no fucking idea how to parse that sentence. They're all words that I understand, but in that order, there's either too many or not enough words, and I just my brain's like, nope. Don't know how to say that one. YAML programming eventually gets everyone. It's worse. It's Jinja templated YAML. It's Jinja YAML, the worst of the worst. And the changes I'm making are not making it better. If anything, the changes I'm making are making it worse. Because not only is it Jinja YAML, it's now more complicated Jinja YAML. But yeah. Okay, anyway. I can ignore this one. I don't think I can click delete here because it's been too long. Gonna give me an error? Yeah. But we can go here and make sure there's only one. And then click the purge button. The spooky purge button. I like how they made it so that if you double click on this, it just copies this word. Because if they had, oh, that one worked too. Oh, weird. No, maybe it's my browser. Because I'm used to double clicking on things at the end of the sentence and having it copy the punctuation and being like, fuck, now I gotta fix that. But, few of the meetings I've been in are getting difficult on saying politely, you want more monitoring, which we're happy to provide, but you aren't actually fixing the issues. Oh, there you go. Okay, yeah, that makes more sense. Yeah. I mean, monitoring can at least let you know when you have problems and help you guide towards figuring out what to do with those problems. But yeah, not necessarily the be-all end-all. This one's very weird. There's a 503 on this, and I'm pretty sure I thought we handled this case. But apparently not. Auto updater handler. Oh. We handle it there. But we don't handle it here? Is that what this is? Blurp, 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 blurp. Ah, okay, yeah. So when retrieving an access token, oh, we handle this. I gotta combine all these repos together, or combine the helpers at least at some point. So I'm pretty sure runner has an implementation of this, and I'm pretty sure. I don't know why I keep typing prune there. I'm pretty sure each of these are slightly different. Oh, this one doesn't have it either. Oh, it does. Yeah, it does. 100% right here. Yeah, this is the particular case. But maybe I'll make a little library for this. I don't know. I don't know. Doesn't super matter. It highlights issues. Wonderful. I love monitoring. I just don't like people acting like they're improving but ignoring what needs fixing. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, my Ansible work is done. Today was a 1,000-line SQL. Huh. Well, a lot of SQL. But SQL's fine. I've written some monster queries in my time. I haven't done a while. Besides AOC, but yeah. Yeah. Gosh, Anthon, can you dry your code? Nah, dry's stupid. Dry is kinda dumb. It's always in utils.py. The question is which one. No, I just wasn't sure whether it was the low-level API call or the wrapper around it. Which I don't really like. It doesn't super make sense that there is a context manager, but yeah, shmeep shmop. Shmeep shmop. But yeah, these problems also occur here, so in a way I should probably join some of these together. But yeah. Also, I've realized that when these fail, oh wait, no, they do go through early failure. Huh. Well, now I'm even more confused because I made a change to fix a bug here. But now I feel like it doesn't actually fix things. I don't know. I don't know. Ah, well, it doesn't matter. It's another day me problem. Okay, but yeah, this is chugging along, doing its thing. All happy, hunky-dory, etc., etc. This should be back at 0. Right, 0. Oh, I have a dead pixel on my screen. Oh no, it's just dust. My main screen is coming up there in age. What is going on here? Hello? Did I lose my internet? Am I still here? Can you guys hear me, chat? Oh, okay. Must be fine. Alkalon's here. It's nice that Twitch now loads some old chat messages when you join the channel. Yeah, it's been doing that for a while. Pretty nice. I can't imagine the hell on the back end to make that happen. Well, I guess they keep chat messages for a long time, so yeah. Newsletter says, I've written this anti-color stuff so many times, I wish there was some very easy library without other depths I could just pull in. And there's a few. I just feel like some of them are overkill and some of them are underkill, and like it's another dependency to carry. And I don't really need a dependency for like 2 little strings. I'm pretty sure I can just go, oh, is it 43M? Blink string. Is it 43? 0 through 3. Is it 43M? No. Is it 44M? No. 42? Okay, cool. Now I have the right one. Done. Or you can get the non-background colored ones. Oh, is it 32 or is it 33? There you go. 31 should be red, right? Yeah. So it's like, why bother? Why bother? Also, most of the libraries use the unnecessarily verbose 0:M at the end, or even 0M, but you don't need either of those. You can just use M. Yeah. What if you're writing JavaScript? JS devs in shambles? Yeah. It's a little bit more than true. Okay, so the first thing that I want to do is set up the status page. This is going to be a bunch of front-endy bullshit. Yeah. Yeah. Also, there was an error that happened in the Lightworker, but I don't know what the error was because my error handling masked it. So, next time it happens, we'll fix it. Friend is your passion. Well, I kind of know what I want to do here. It's really just implementing it. Oh, in fact, I had already started working on it. But obviously we didn't get there, did we? No rule to make target lite status.html. Yeah. Is there a man ANSI? No, but there's an easier way to do that. You can just do seek 100 xargs replace echo-c squacket m hello squacket this. Ta-da! Now you have all of them. Now you don't need to remember them. Although wait, there's a few more, aren't there? Is it seek 128? Yeah, well, 108. But yeah. And I don't remember the 256 colored ones, but those you can look up. And you can also do the true color ones, which I also don't remember. And then I look those up. Lisa says, for me, it's more like you visited the site 420 times in the last 69 days. Yeah, it's true, it's true. There's an NPM for it, only 28 extra daps. I feel like Rust is the same way. Like, I don't even, I barely have anything working in this, and cargo list. Oh, that's fewer than I expected. Oh, that's not actually the command. That's why. Cargo ls? Dude, what the fuck is the show packages? Build, bench, build, check, clean, clippy, config, doc, fetch, fix, format, poompt. Install, log in, log out, meet data? Meet data, maybe. Tree. That's what it is. Cargo tree. Tree. Getting 450. It's not even that big. Hey, Hill, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. I like how I've gotten you to seriously say Squagget. Oh, that's a Where's X thing. Yeah. Squagget's great. Caveman Crafting. Hello, hello. How you doing? Obviously this is not unique, but it's still kind of fucking nuts how many things are installed here. But yeah. I never heard you say it before me always saying it. I'm pretty sure I've said Squagget for a very long time. In fact, it looks like here you're saying that you're not going to call them Squaggets. For shame. For shame. Yeah, the server, thank you for the gift sub to Marsha, who's now been sub for 30 months. Squaggets. Oh man, we haven't seen Kabiko in forever. I hope they're doing alright. Although I think the timing doesn't work very well for them anymore. They're still subbed. But but when was the last time they were here? Oh, November. It's only been 3 months. Anyway, blur, 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 blur. What the fuck were we doing? We are making this lite status page. Right. Quirtan, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. pre-commit.ci. How does this work? How do you work? Cookie notice. Oh, I see. We make a thing that does that does a thing. Lite. This song looping. Next song. Man, I'm so mad that YouTube fixed their fucking playlist thing and then they rolled back the fix. So annoying. So annoying. Alkalon, thank you for the resub with Prime at 3 months, which gets you a fancy new badge. Good to see you again. Hopefully you're doing well. Halsey says, what was the problem? I have smarter childhood myself. I don't remember what we were talking about. I'm a shitty AI where I have forgotten the context. I know it was only minutes ago, but brain empty. I have no idea what you're referring to. Are you gonna tell me what you were referring to? Or are you just gonna leave me hanging? Content. Nope, not gonna tell me? Alright, cool. Perfect. Don't need to know then. Don't need to know then. Shitty AI that argues over who owns Twitter? Ah, I see. You tried to use the banned word in chat. I see you tried to use the banned word in chat. Okay, so we're gonna add a little pricing section here, but that's not what we're trying to do today. Wait, why does it say 003? That's like super old. Oh. Because this is super old. No, it should be on. Yeah, okay. And Doctor says the bug is that it repeats the same video forever when you have the same video twice in a row in a playlist. Yes, that is precisely the bug. It drives me fucking nuts. Polymathic Man, thank you for the bits. Appreciate it. Prax says I found at least one of the banned words. I blinked, nodded, and agreed with the choice. Yeah, I think I know which one of the words you found. The pineapple guy. The pineapple guy. That makes way more sense. Like, what is a pineapple? Oh, pineapple. Duh. Do you think Twitch engineered it specifically so that if you use one sub and 100 bits, that it goes exactly to 69%? Some engineer was like, how do we make this exactly 69%? I bet if we do the most common combination of bits and subs, we could get it there. I feel like that's got to be intentional, right? There's probably like a line in the code that's like, if subs equals 2 and bits equals 1, return 69. Otherwise, increment from there. If your editor is packaged in Homebrew, would that be a Babby bottle? God, it would. I hope it doesn't get packaged for Homebrew. Might already be packaged for Homebrew. That was a risky search. I'm never gonna really? Brew SH. Okay, it's not packaged for Homebrew. Good. There is a, what is that website called? That is not what I want. Good thing I did that one off screen. Ashblight Crimson Weaver, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. What is this website called? It's like Ripology or something like that. Ripology. Yeah, this is the website. Ripology. How to work. Projects? Their search? Maybe. Spread. Huh. Yeah, this is the one. Why is there a star next to it? What does the star mean? Oh God. Why? Why? Why did somebody package it for AUR of all things? Also, why doesn't it list PyPI? I guess this one is the PyPI one. Yeah, it's weird that they don't line up. Anyway, wild, strange, very strange. I'd file it under happy accidents. I feel like it's gotta be intentional, right? Right? Yeah. Like to learn how to package hover now. It's actually not hard. But for better or worse, you'd have to package a whole bunch of stuff. Which I wonder, this person must have. Oh wait, now it shows up twice. Did somebody just fix this while I was looking at this? Yeah, they had to package a whole bunch of other things that I wrote. Like Babby grammars. How did they even package this? They must have done a sloppy build? Yeah. Yeah, they didn't even bother with the like weird licensing stuff. He's thrown. Allergic to Zinthrius! Thank you for the resub with Prime at 23 months! Which almost gets you a fancy new badge. It's good to see you again. Hopefully you're doing well. Appreciate the resub there. They didn't bother the licensing stuff, which I don't blame them at all. How did they do this? Did they package this also? No. Someone else packaged this. Wild. Wild. Well, their problem, not mine. I must get 24. You're very close, Cyprius. Okay, so the idea that I have for this is I think I linked to this somewhere. GitHub. .ci lite web. I am also kind of sleepy, so sorry if I'm yawning. I'm yawning away here. Oh, there's my badge token. So now you can see. This one's that's the SVG? No, it's this one that's the SVG. So now you can see my SVG. Oh no. The token doesn't matter. That's literally all it's for. Okay, so there's no statuses here. Grab Octothorpe. That was useful because here we go. This is what I want. These URLs. I gotta find all these statuses. Status running. Status push failed. Status done. Oh, so I gotta do all these. Yes. Okay, so the idea that I wanted for this is there's a way to make CSS visible by fragment. Fragment? Is that what it's called? Hash. Yeah, there's a way to do this. This is JavaScript. That's not what I want. There's a way to do this in CSS. CSS selector by hash. No, no, no. These are all garbage. Target. That's now we can do MDN. CSS target MDN. Selects an element with an ID matching the core URL's fragment. Okay. So if I I think I can do lite status. Oh no, I can't. Lite status. Content lite status dot md. Monk and W display none. Did you click on W tools? I didn't. Bjark says, I saw a Target image the other day. I actually had a moment where I truly felt like I missed working there. No. Oh no. Let's see how this thing works. Loafkey, hello. Good to see you again. That's coming up in my next therapy session. Yeah. You're right. Okay, so I'm just gonna edit this file directly and let it get blown away. But that is fine. Dot status display none, and then dot status target display block. And then in theory, if we go down here to our content place, and we do div class equals status ID equals success. And then we add a few more of these. We should probably be status success. Oh, but it's too. Oh, wait. Yeah, no, status done. Good. Good. I thought to namespace these. Good job, me. Status push failed. Oh no, that push failed. How do I match if there's no target? Target within applies to any element to which the target applies as well. I feel like that is maybe what I want. Experimental technology represents an element that is a target element or contains an element that is a target. So we could say dish and then do dot container target within dot content dot other display none. I think that would work. So we have this here, and then if we do status done, fuck. But why? But why didn't you match? Where's the fucking example? Why am I unchoosing Shadow Dome? How did I get here? How did I get here? Target within CSS pseudo class represents an element that is a target element or contains an element that is a target. Target element is a unique element with an ID matching the URL's fragment. Oh, this is how I clicked on Shadow Dome. This is making me think it's just not supported in Firefox. Oh. Oh. Or it's not supported in any fucking browser. Oh, god damn it. I didn't want to have to write JavaScript for this page. Maybe, you know what? They'll just get a blank page. That's fine, right? That's fine, right? Right. I mean, they already get a 404. So, Octavius, hello. Good to see you again. Syntax, welcome to the stream. The Target is within the div? It is, but no browser supports this. Yeah. Does that mean I can use like -moz this? And then it'll work? No? Can I use target within? Man. Zero fucking %. Bro, why is it spec then? I really want this feature. Ah. Oh, W3C links to MDN? That's kinda cool. That's kinda cool. I wonder if there's some other CSS way to do this. Well, I don't care. I don't care that much. Yeah, fuck it. I don't care that much. Okay, so how do I do this then? I think I gotta make some custom markdown extensions. But that's not too hard. We've done this before. I've been here before a few times. Bin this, perhaps? Yeah. And info is equal to status. Then what? How do I call the render on itself? Oh. Oh. Another email. Oh, I got logged out of my email too. Ah. Why? For some reason, my university feels like it's important to log you out once a week, which just decreases their password. Really? Why? Why? Why must you suck like this? Dumbass. Didn't even run the hooks. Toggle standing desk. Bye, chat. Oh. I moved my lights slightly because I wanted to close the door because my laundry machine was chugging away and I wanted to record a video. So yeah. I didn't say anything about having to stand. Yeah, I mean, what's the difference between Target and Target within? Target is specifically the element, but Target within is the element or a descendant. Or says, Anthon, did you know that people sell code on Etsy? What? Why? Weird. Kazuma VT says, "Heyo, Anthony. Thank you again for all the microprocessor controller tutorials. Oh, we're actually running one right now. Is it fashionable code on Etsy? It feels like Etsy originally started as like arts and crafts and like that sort of stuff, and now they're just like, fuck it. You can buy anything here." But yeah, I mean, if people want to pay money for things, then people pay money for things. But yeah, Target within, apparently not a thing. Is there a has? Here's a has. Any of the relative selectors? Is this supported? Can I use this instead of Target within? Not in Firefox. User must explicitly enable this feature. See, this would solve the problem too. Because then you wouldn't need Target within. You would just use has target. But well, what if we could use sibling selectors? We could probably use a sibling selector. No. No, we can't use a sibling selector because they're always going to be siblings. It's not rendered siblings. I think. For sure something is displayed num, it's not. CSS sibling selector. It's like plus. Immediately follows the first element, and both are children in the same parent element. Yeah, so what if we that display none on you? It shouldn't affect the coloring. Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay. Alright, so we're just gonna not worry about the empty state. Because fuck it. Return div class equals status. Oh, we need to give it an ID. Do I do that? If info starts with status, then info dot split. I'll just do it like this. ID equals status md code slash div. Yeah, I'll try that. Oh, right. So if we do status done, it is done. Need ASP. Thank you for the bits. Welcome, welcome. Good to see you again. Done being the emergency resource? Yeah, well, sometimes you end up being the emergency resource for fucking everything. With no choice. Alright, status running. Currently running. We'll fill this out with obviously slightly more professional things than this, but what was the other one? Status push failed. Blurp, 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 push failed for some reason. What, why? Oh, because my CSS, right. We gotta put the CSS in here. Dot status is display none, and then dot status target is display block. Ooh, nothing. Status running. Doot, 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 currently running. Cool. Very cool. Very cool. Very cool. And I bet I can reuse the CSS from pre-commit.ci as well. Install GitHub me. This CSS, right? But Elvin Rat says, calling, do we have a tool to do X? Me, nope. An hour later, me, yes, damn, getting nerd sniped by other people's problems. Yeah. But I'm sure you had fun writing it, right? That's that's part of the fun. Yeah, so if empty state page is going to be an interesting one. An interesting one. How does this work? Pretty sure it's just a pseudo selector, right? Container, PC run success. Huh. Yeah. Maybe we make another page for this. Yeah. So I believe that this work. It was just container. Oh. Oh. Oh, there's just a div of the status up at the top, and then the status text is down at the bottom. Ugh, that's a little bit annoying. Why didn't I just combine the two? Wouldn't that have been easier? Like, if I just slap that into here, what does it render like? Okay. I understand. Tokyo Mutex, hello, how you doing? Hopefully saves Simon a bunch of time. I should probably be asleep though. Fair enough. Isn't that easier? What makes you think months ago Anthony would forgo the easy way? I mean, sometimes that guy doesn't know what the fuck he's talking about. All right. See where that CSS comes from. Templates. Run. Probably just inlined in here. Nope. I think we just put it all in the main one. Yeah, so I think we just need to copy this downwards. You're keeping data safe in the background. As a mutex? You're preventing things from data races? Or do you mean literally? You're literally doing that. What the hell happened here? It's gone now. That was weird. Oh, it was because I opened Firefox in the background, and when you open Firefox in the background, it does a thing. What are you doing, and why you code I with hat nano? Oh boy. Oh boy. I almost want to run a prediction. Like, do you think this guy's gonna say something that gets him banned? I can already tell. Sometimes you could just fucking tell with some people. You just know. You just know that they have not come in here with good intentions. They've come in here asking to get banned. Okay. How am I gonna do this? The I can't see video badge? Yeah. Yeah. What do you mean not like this? You're the one who came in here and said something prickish. This is on you, buddy. Your behavior's out of line. Ugh, how am I gonna do this? So I basically need to make a wrapper element that contains this pretty element and then the not pretty element. But I don't know. Yeah. We'll just make the class. Yeah, we'll just make the markdown do the right thing. So we'll have the status div, which has an ID, and that's going to contain the code eventually. But before it contains the code, it's going to have a div class equals run, which is just going to be empty. But I think this has to have container on it as well, container run. And then this is going to be div class equals container, and then with all of those other attributes. Where are you? And I'm so sorry. Cannot sleep. Cannot dream tonight. I need some money and always. 6 straight darkness comes screaming on, so haunting every time. Blur, 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 blur. Okay, that should work. So then we can do dot run and then dot run after. And then we can do status success run, and then status success run after. Why is it 2 afters? Why is it not 1 after? I don't know. Fuck, we're gonna have to make a bunch of these. Oh well. Status, what do I call it? Status, somewhere up here. This is the wrong tab. Status, push failed. Dot run is you. Need to copy you. After. And then there's status running. Dot run. Yes, this should work. Question mark. CS is harder than Roost. I actually don't think either of them are really that hard. There's certainly a lot more to learn. There's a lot to learn in both of them. I don't think they're particularly difficult. Syntax error. Harsha says everything is hard. Well, if that's true, you should maybe see a doctor. Especially if it lasts for more than 4 hours. Oh god, it didn't work. Why didn't it work? So why didn't you get display none? Where's your fucking display none? Yeah, right fucking here. What did you all should have display none. Unless my CSS has a syntax there. I think it does. Where's the rest of the CSS? I must have used the wrong template. Oh, I put the right template here. but I didn't put it here. Yes. There's supposed to be a variable for this, but I don't remember what it is. Is it $? Make file automatic variables. I know I did a video on this. I could just watch my own video. First prerequisite, what's the last one? Is there a last one? $%, $caret, $plus, $pipe, $star. There isn't a. Okay, I guess there isn't one. Cool, very cool. Xeonix says, just trying to figure out Doggo for a project. How's that going for you? Okay. Status running. Kind of. Kind of. Content. I think I need to do this. Content. Yo. Fuck. Oop. What was the successful one? I don't remember. That is done. Oh, what the fuck? Where's my green? Oh. That would be why. Yo, let's go. Oops. Finish failed. Yo. Can we get a let's go? Let's go, baby. It fucking works. Did we do the thing? Kind of. Sulfite, welcome to the stream. How you doing? Let us go. Am I supposed to do some like Frozen up in here? Embarrassing. I have never watched Frozen. I don't know anything about Frozen. Then it says, because I have a Python script to populate a database, but with Docker, I think I need a SQL file that builds all this. Perhaps. Romavini says, let's go! Tofufu is also here. Merp, merp. Meep, meep. How you doing? But have you been frozen? Oh. Have I ever gotten frostbite? I don't think I've ever gotten frostbite. I think the answer is no. Yeah, I don't think I've been. Oh well, I guess I've frozen some of my skin off before. So yes, I have been frozen. Not completely frozen though. Tofu says doing while prepping pizza. Okay. I'm ordering pizza. I have no self-control. I hope it pre-fills my address so I don't have to type that. Can load. Delivery, yes. Oh, it doesn't preload it. So you get to look at my face while I order pizza. Okay, we're back. We're back in the mine. What kind of pizza? Tofu. Are you making it yourself or are you ordering? I'm ordering. I'm ordering. pizza always sounds. They're all good. I'm just kidding. You get the same thing I got last time. Rex says, another noob question for the crowd. Is there a way to have a container nuke itself after a run? Container or the image? There's no way that's gonna work. Oh, it did work! Do you mean the container? Because if it's container, it's just --rm. If you mean the image, well, then I think you're maybe not using Docker for what it's intended. But Docker container stops if your script does? Yes, it stops, but it doesn't necessarily delete itself. Unless you use --rm, which is what you're supposed to. Pizza sauce required, yeah. I want cheese. This is so complicated. I just want fucking pizza. Suggestion for you, juice and milk? What a fucked up suggestion that is, but oh, that does remind me, I do actually want to get some. So, fuck you, bad suggestion, you're wrong. But you also getting me to purchase something else because I forgot. And I would have been sad unless I remembered. They win this time. I guess I didn't grasp the whole nougat cell part. Yeah, perhaps. Interesting drink suggestions? Yeah, what the fuck? Who's... You ordered a pizza. Did you also want juice and milk? I was thinking about it the other day. I don't know where this came up, but this might have been on Juice's stream. Juice was talking about 2 gallons of juice, and I don't think I've consumed that much juice in my entire life. I just like don't drink juice at all. But yeah. Oh right. Yeah, let me just fucking type my credit card number in on stream. That'd be a good one. I haven't gotten to the credit card number yet, but no, don't auto. Neurocat, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Not just juice or milk, juice and milk. Yeah, that's the most fucked up part. Who wants juice and milk? Okay, I gotta mute for this part. I feel like it's kind of dangerous that I have my credit card memorized. But what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? Okay, I've ordered pizza, which I guess in theory puts a time box on the stream. Unless I eat pizza on stream. Wait, did I accidentally order pickup? Oh no. Wait. I could have sworn I did delivery. Yeah, it says delivery. Okay. Whew, okay. Whew. Sports car time is warm up. Yeah, I went for a drive. I went for a drive yesterday just to go for a drive. I know. Shouldn't just drive just to drive, but it was so nice out. And I had already gone for a run. And I already went to the gym. So I was like, I'm going to go for a drive. And it was nice. It was so nice. I had to take the cover off my car because I had just winterized it like 3 days before, and then all the snow melted and it was like 50 degrees and not a cloud in the sky. So yeah, it was fun. Spin the wheels, 15 minutes load on the alternator, the battery will die. So I actually have a battery conditioner. So it's a new option in the newer cars. In the newer Corvettes, where you can they give you this basically a device, and then there's a cigarette outlet in the front trunk, and you just plug it in, and it charges and decharges the battery a little bit just to keep it nice and conditioned. The answer says, I couldn't live without juice. I don't drink coffee or tea. I occasionally drink sodas. Just water gets boring. Yeah, I drink I drink a little bit of pop. But not much even. Root beer, I guess. I drink a lot of beer. That's my vice. We get to have one, right? Alternator is the spinny thing that does electric? Yeah, that's alternator. I was a certified mechanic, I promise. Yeah. Okay, so this is good. This does what I want. So now I just need to fill out the contents for these. How do that? In theory, I kind of also want to put some. This is me just being so lazy because I don't have a database for pre-commit.ci lite. So all the statuses are static. Clearly no information. Prex says 25 years away from a shop that I only worked at for 7 months. What's that spinny thing? Yeah. A nice glass of OJ at breakfast can be nice. But do you drink your orange juice with milk, Stonkfish? Yeah. This is a funny comment. In your sketch folder, you have clock engine up high. Can you provide some descriptions on what these are /do? Sorry. Code is available at your own use. You can read and figure out how things use stuff, but I can't really spend time supporting it. I eat my cereal with orange juice. Oh. Of course, beer, but for some reason people don't like if you drink beer at work. You're just working at the wrong place then. I used to drink all the time at Yelp. Didn't happen all that often at Lyft though. There were a few times where we would go out to lunch and just, well, they serve beer, so who's gonna stop me? And at Stripe I work from home, so literally no one can stop me. Although I haven't had a lunch beer at Century yet. Oh, because I'm in a group chat. Yep, that would do it. Cereal first or orange juice first? Literally no one can stop me, yeah. Self-control? What's that? I have a suspicion that orange juice mixed with milk might be like orange juice after you brush your teeth. No, I think it's worse than that because the acid in the orange juice, well, depending on what fat percentage milk you have. Like if you have skim milk, it's probably fine. But orange juice, the acid in that will curdle the milk. You get a nice lump of milk. Lumping milk that tastes like orange. Oh, gross. Oh. Okay. This doesn't even have to be final. It just has to be beginning. Okay, what are the push reasons? Light worker. pre-commit.ci lite. Successfully applied the patch. The change to the pull requests. These are so stupid. They're such a fucking waste of time. This is such a dumb page. Why even bother? Bring them in CI Lite. Just pre-commit CI Lite is currently applying the change. If it gets stuck, something's probably broken. I don't really want to admit that. Minute orange juice and flavors of water and caffeine. I also don't really drink caffeine. I have had less than a cup of coffee my entire life because I don't like coffee. I used to drink Bailey's with lemon juice. Oh. Yeah, it doesn't sound good. OJ isn't considered a health food anymore because it's that bad for you? Because there's too much sugar? Is that what it is? No caffeine from pop either? Well, I don't really drink pop all that often. And when I do, it's usually not Barks root beer. Because Barks has caffeine in it. But I also can't remember the last time I had pop. Like, I think it's been a year or two since I had pop. Maybe even more. Probably pre-pandemic, actually. But I just don't drink pop. How can you become a YouTuber if you don't have an unhealthy obsession with coffee? Guess I'm fucked. Guess I'm fucked. Yeah. Too much sugar? Yeah. Metal Storm, hello. What's pop? It's what, You're in the fucking Midwest too, Marsha. You know what pop is. No caffeine from chocolate. Chocolate has so little caffeine. And it's not even that it has caffeine, it has molecules that are similar to caffeine. Right? Theobromine? Does chocolate contain caffeine? I feel like it doesn't. Does chocolate contain caffeine? Oh. 12 milligrams and dark chocolate, okay. Wow. Peanut M&Ms has 5 milligrams of caffeine. Wow. What? How much caffeine is in a cup of coffee? Oh, okay, so it's nothing compared to a cup of coffee. Got it. All right. Well, how much caffeine is in green tea? Because I do have green tea, but I specifically picked decaf green tea. 28 milligrams. Oh. Decaf, 2 milligrams. Okay, so basically none. South is Coke, Diet Coke, Clear Coke? Yeah. Yeah. You were raised in the South. Oh no. It's got your orange Coke. I'll have a Pepsi Coke, please. Yeah, there's a website. What is the one? Pop versus soda? Yeah, this is the one that we would bring up all the time. I'm surprised how much pop there is here. What's this weird band of soda in here? Also, look at how suspicious this line is here. Like, why is it so different across this random boundary here? Oh, is this the Was it Southern Secession is below this line? Is that what it is? This is fucked up. What's going on over here? But yeah. Good old pop. I'm definitively in pop country. Anyway. Yeah. 5 milligrams is literally nothing. Yeah. Bob is what you call your dad? Never mind. Pre-commit.ci lite was unable to push to the branch. Branch missing. Okay, that'll be our page. What is stupid page? Maybe we'll make them H3s. Oh, but then it's gonna do my little other thing, isn't it? We'll just make them bold. That'll be good enough. This is a page literally no one's gonna see. I'm only doing this so it doesn't 404. Why am I spending so much fucking time on this? Literally doesn't matter. Such a waste of time. Okay, good enough. Ship it. Status changes for pre-commit.ci lite. Nihil says, are you running Windows a Linux VM on Windows or vice versa? Looks like DDoS has got you. Alvaron says we call them fizzy drinks. We call them fizzy Wizzlies. A rare case of the UK being super literal. I mean, you have your cobblestone clippity cloppities though, right? This is why no one takes Brits seriously. I mean, what was the one? What's the one? Is this safe for work enough for me to share? Where was this? This was very recent. Maybe it was in the... Man, what was it? It was a real funny fake British word. God damn, where was this? I feel like this was in this Discord. Oh. So okay, yeah. All right, here we go. So this meme was posted. No context Brits. This is not a bookmark. Me talking to the pest control man. No mate, I have no idea where the mice in the library. Picks up a book and actual cheese falls out of it. And my friend Max replied, "My face one, Americans call it a book instead of a wordy scrolly." Okay, anyway. We got there. Amphis, hello, how you doing? Phil says, this looks like a cool project. Gonna look into it more soon. Which one? Pre-commit.ci or the Pokemon bot or Pop vs. Soda? Oh, pre-commit.ci, yeah. I'm pretty proud of it. I've spent a lot of time making it, and it's very cool. And it does things. Yeah. I'm really selling it right now. I like how pre-commit.ci finishes before GitHub Actions even started. Yep, very good. Very good GitHub Actions. It's just so fast. And a quarter of that was spent waiting for GitHub to get their shit together. Pretty damn good. Pretty damn good. And I think I could speed this up too. I haven't done that yet. Okay, that's part 1 of 2. When is my pizza supposed to get here? 15 minutes. And it's pizza time. Okay, the other part of this is I want to add pro tier to this. So I got to figure out how I did that. First, how I did that for pre-commit.ci proper. And then how we're going to do it here. Marketplace. We can just look it up. We don't even need to do this. In fact, we can't do this because we don't have a database. So we're just gonna ignore those 3 events, I guess. Lite web. Lite web blueprints. GitHub. So ignore all of you. Marketplace purchase. Oh, I wanted to search that here. Marketplace purchase. Ignore all of the webhooks. Stitches! Hello. How you doing? Over 400K have voted in the Pop vs. Soda tool. Wow. That's a lot. That's a lot. That's quite a few. Sort. What is going on? What are you taking so long doing? Probably installing my pipe. Okay. I wonder if I still need these. I wonder what happens if I delete these. There's also probably a new permissions requested event that happens here that that isn't happening. Milestoned. Demilestoned. Okay, so we don't care about these. We do care about this API call. So let's figure that out. GitHub API. Marketplace. Count ID is integer. This. What? Do you not have GitHub API stuff hooked up? Oh, we're gonna have to sit down for that. We're gonna have to sit down for this one. Man. Okay, so I don't think we need you. I don't think we need you. Which means we can just make you return Dexter any. Which means we don't need you. We don't need you. Nor you. Nor you. Oh, we do need that. Fuck. We do need to be able to set commit statuses, so we do need you. Damn it! Okay, we don't need you or you. We do need you. Which means we do need AT headers. God damn it. Okay. Oh. I'm pretty sure there are other places where I use this along with a... Oh no, I don't. Yeah, I don't know why this except is here. Or here. Shouldn't be there. Oh. Oh well. Okay, but we still need you. We don't need you or you. We do need this one. We do need to set a commit status. This or that. This. Wait, where the fuck? Oh, here it is. It's like, where's the damn API that I'm trying to get here? Thanks, too focused to pay attention, chat. Lies. I see you. It has no raison. Indeed, it does not. What a fucking useless notification. Look at how dumb this is, chat. Oh, it's gone. Oh, now I gotta rearrange this. It literally just dinged at me to say, we found no viruses. Just in case you wanted to know. Nothing, no bad things this time. I can't tell if there's one pixel on the left side of the screen or not. I don't think there is, but I also can't tell. You can disable those. You can turn all of the notifications off, but you can't just turn off oh, I don't want to do that. You can't just turn off the notification for there are no problems. Like if you click see fewer notifications, you'll see get information and notifications. You can turn off recent activity and scan results, but then it won't tell you about stuff, which is just dumb. You can? I just opened it. I just showed you the check mark. It doesn't work. Not that I would ever get a virus. Can't be me, right? You have to right click on the notification in the action center? No. I'll just continue to grumble about it. That's the easiest solution for me. Okay. So, now what do we do? Not that clearly. Light web. Do you have a creds? You do have a creds. Look at that. Do you have JWT? Why do you have JWT? Maybe past me knew that I was gonna have to do this at some point and was like, yeah, we're gonna add JWT. What else is in here that we don't necessarily need? Those all look fine. My JWT crypto, yeah. Because I don't I don't know why they do this, but the PyJWT package is completely fucking useless unless you add the crypto extra. Like you can't actually build a JWT without installing cryptography. So I don't know why they did that. I don't know why they did that. Doesn't make any sense to me. Kind of annoying. I'm hungry, but I want to get this working. Do what? Oh, because it's in here. To do pro tier. To do, if this is false, someone is up to something nefarious. It's true. It's true. But yeah, I think it's really just here. To do pro tier. If GitHub API get marketplace plan account ID. I think that's what I want. Oh my god. Oh man. It's not even JavaScript, it's Roost. It's Roost. I just roosted all over the screen. None. What did I name the free one for? I think I just called it lowercase free. That's the opposite of how this URL works. So I can show this one on the screen. Can. Yes, it is just called free. All lowercase. Free. Then we leave a status. This can really just be one big if statement. If it's private and this is in none free, then data. Oh, we have install ID. Install ID. API set commit status. Repo ID. Repo. Commit equals headshot. State equals error. RJ URL equals marketplace pre-commit.ci lite. Description. I should figure out what I did for pre-commit.ci. Error. Private repos require a paid plan. Sick. What else do I have to throw in here? Context. What is the context supposed to be? Pre-commit.ci lite. It's simple. Pre-commit.ci lite stuff, maybe some accidental roost, yeah. Hepta, hello, how you doing? Access token is the last thing. Access token equals token. Fucking sick. Let's go, baby. Is that it? Have I just implemented the pro tier? With a few commas? Why didn't I just do this in the first place? Light web import and get API. Really? API get installation access token. Sick. Let's fucking go, baby. In theory, that's it. And then I just have to actually do the business side of things. And in theory, I want to make it so that if you have a normal pre-commit.ci pro account, that you get Lite for free. How would I do that? I don't really want to give... that's the wrong Terraform. There, you want pizza? Yeah, I really want pizza. Not here yet, unless they left it silently. This particular site doesn't have a little tracker thingy. So we need to access the install table. Which has an index by account ID, but it's keys only. Can I make it project some other stuff? It would be nice to have it have the plan in there as well. Blah, 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 blah. Blah, 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 blah. Ooh. Non-key attributes. What does this do for nullable things? Geeky. I don't know why I found that so funny. Wow, that sounds fucking useless. Jumpman OW. Welcome to stream. Any advice for a 24-year-old starting a CS degree and career in software engineering? I was in the army for 5 years, and I'm doing a complete career change. Oh. So, my general advice with software is it is an applied science. So unless you're doing it, unless you're building projects and spending time to actually exercise the material you're learning, you're not gonna do so hot. So my main advice, and I guess I wouldn't say if I went back in time I would do this, because this is literally what I did, and why in large that I'm successful is I'm constantly building stuff, and I'm constantly learning the things necessary to build things. I think that also makes you learn better. It's like, yeah, you could memorize the answers for a quiz, or do a project because someone told you to do the project, but that stuff's not going to stick as well as you building something for yourself. And you're good at it or cheat. Well, I wouldn't cheat, but to each their own. Okay, so in theory, there is this include column, so I could use this. I don't need to do this feature yet. I'm trying to do too much at once. Don't need to do two things at once. Paid tier. And support for marketplace plans. I don't think there's any tests here, are there? Oh, we didn't even have a VM. Just find a passion project and build it. Yeah, that's one way to do it. If you're anything like me or my dad or my grandfather or a big chunk of my family, you will start lots and lots of projects and never finish any of them. I guess it's not true. I finished a lot of my programming projects, but I also have like a million things that I want to do and not enough time to do them all. I'm much better about it than my dad is, and my dad is much better about it than my grandfather was. He never fucking finished anything except for the art that he sold. I guess he finished that. But any of his like home improvement projects, they were lucky if they got 50% done. But it was an era before ADHD was diagnosed, and he had it to the your grandma. Sorry, it had to be so. Well, my grandfather and my grandmother had 5 children, so I think something happened there. But projects are finished when they're archived. Yeah. Okay, so what happens here? Test not triggered for private repos. Oh, so we did write a test for this. That is now failing. Okay, cool. Damn it, past me writing tests? What is this? Now I gotta fix it. Okay, what do we got here? Repository. We should fill out the owner field. Web sample request. Repository. Owner ID. Jumpman, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you are doing well. Owner. Login. H2 ID 4. Yeah. Alright, so now you're not here anymore. But it actually kicks off the work request. Whoops. Oh, and it probably made a real token too. Yeah, we should not allow it to do that. No. We should not allow it to do that. Seems to run in the family. Yeah. ADHD is genetic. That is a thing. Oh. Got me another updog PR. Good old pre-commit.ci doing its job. How's our graph? Look at this graph. Yep, we're getting distracted. Okay. Fucking pay attention, Anthony. Private. Test error for private. Repo without plan. Mocked publish. Also need to mock the other things as well. Which are? Sure what? We have token and how do you mock a context map? Guess you could mock enter. Yeah. The other server says, go ahead to bed. Thank you for the stream. Good night. Well, thank you for stopping by the other server. It's always good to see you. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna mog out this bad boy entirely. Oh, I just fucked something. Stuff marked. This token. We've marked that patch, that object. GitHub API. Bliss. Return value dot enter dot return value will be dead beef. Yeah, that'll work. And we can use auto use equals true. Marked. Marketplace plan. Oh, Priest is here. All right, chat. Oh, but first I will say hi to Ethan. Thank you for the resub with Prime at 40 months. It's great to see you. Hi, bye. Sorry. Rapidash has always had a horn. No, this is Galarian Rapidash. But yeah, heading out. Mr. Singh, hello. Also, hi, chat. Well, actually, you know what? I'll just take a break. Let's grab pizza. Yeah, we'll just eat some pizza on stream. Yeah, I'll just be right back. Yeah, so not bye. I'll see you in a sec. I'm having a problem, chat. My desk has too much clutter on it. My pizza is on my chair at the moment. Okay, move some stuff around so that I can. I have. Okay. I have le pizza. Should I just eat food and let you guys look at my pizza? But Ethan, thank you for the resub at 40 months. Holy shit. That is a big number. It's good to see you again. Here is my pizza. Here, I'll just move stuff out of the way. Getting close to 4 years, right? Wild. It's wild. Yeah. I'm gonna be typing deficient during this. That's just how this is gonna go. And mouse deficient also. Oh, also, I got a beverage. It's a peanut butter shake. Half a pizza? Okay, you don't have to make me feel guilty like that. Also, we got a follow from a name that I can't read. But thank you for the follow. And Gentle Automaton. Thank you as well for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Pizza! Was it in beer? I could be, you know? Could be. You've been following for 4 years and 5 months? Yeah, holy shit. God damn. Okay, I don't know that I'm gonna eat all 3 pieces right now, but I know I'm gonna eat these before I go to bed. But, yeah. How do I do this? Should I change the category? I guess I should change the category. Fuck. Let's see. Food and drink. Taking a break from programming to eat some pizza. Smiley face. And I guess we could, oh, but now this covers it. How am I gonna do this? Wait, maybe I gotta put it on the other side. We'll do that. We'll put the keyboard over here. Yes, there we go. There we go. Now we got the pizza on the stream. But pizza. Oh god, it's so blurry. Never mind, we're not gonna do that. If I press escape, is it gonna put it back where it was? No. That's the right side. Oh, it's off by 1 pixel. Oh, killed. Seriously, why don't you just snap to the right position? Even worse. Okay, we got it. Whew. Whew. We got it. We good. Drowning Buffalo, hello. Deep dish? Yeah, it's Chicago style deep dish, even. The deepest of dishes. The dishes that are too deep. 3 deep, 5 me. Yeah. Pizza. With lots of cheese as well. But I am a big fan of red pepper flakes. I like a little spice. And I also have Italian seasonings as well. But this is a brand new bottle, but I go through it very, very quickly, so that's why I get the absolutely massive size version of it. Anthony writes pizza. I have made pizza before. It's actually not that hard and pretty good. But how are we gonna do this? Somehow the pizza just flicked a pepper flake into my eye. Ow. Greg says, darn it, Anthong, why is pre-commit.ci so fast? Makes me realize how slow the rest is. Yeah. Yeah. It's true. It's true. I guess I don't want to say over-engineered because it does what it's supposed to do. But I've pretty decently optimized it. And I think I can make it even faster. Fair, fair. He says, and we're going to package run arbitrary functions in a wazi, I don't know what that means. I don't know what that means. Python functions. Oh, that's cool. Is the graph comparing pre-commit.ci to GitLab still accurate? Yeah. Yeah, it is. I tried it again a couple weeks ago, and like, GitLab was still way off the track. Oh, but pre-commit.ci is faster than when I did that graph. So if I did it again, pre-commit.ci does do even better, but I haven't regenerated the graph in a while. But doing it during auto update day is not the best decision. Although it would probably be fine. So obviously, if I'm going to do best case for all the CI systems, I would want to do it at night while everything is highest capacity. I guess at night in US time. Mazen Bliss syscalls full sandbox. Nice. Should got a knife. That I'm forcing it through with a fork. And this pizza is like not the pizza you get if you don't like crust, but the crust is like the best part on this one. Because this is all essentially just bread. There's another company in Michigan that does this style of pizza called Pizza Popolis, and Pizza Popolis is way better. Their crust is also way better, but still pretty good for being in Ann Arbor. My little sister will order a pizza and just leave a box full of crust. Psychopathic shit. Epta says, have you heard of AWS Pizza Service? I have not. I know you can order Domino's using Terraform. The good deep dish place here is expensive, which is big sad. Oh no. Tofu Fufu says one of my sisters also doesn't eat the crust. Wow. Bummer. It's bread. It's fucking bread. Bread is amazing. How would you not want the bread? I guess admittedly, compared to cheese and sauce, bread is a little bit lacking, but it's still bread. Oh, and if you get Detroit style, then the bread has crunchy cheese bits on it. So good. I was debating between this and Detroit style. Because I really like me the crunchy cheese bits. You saved the crust for last. Like intentionally? Hmm. Interesting. I feel like they just kind of naturally happen last, though. Right? Your pizza looks like a cake? Yeah. It's very thick. The pizzas were pies. This one is kind of like a pie. This is kind of like a pizza cake, TBH. Oh man, one hand typing on a split keyboard is significantly harder than not. I guess I'll have one more. I'm gonna have one more slice. And then we can get back to the cods. Deal? Sounds like a pretty good deal to me. I mean, it's a great deal to me because I eat pizza. Caro says Chicago style or no cheese? Chicago style. I've personally never understood the appeal of thin pizza, like really thin pizza. Yeah, the only thing that I can empathize with really thin pizza is I like crunch. I think crunch is like one of my favorite textures. And thin pizza gives you that crunch, but it's in every other way, it's worse than normal pizza. Like, why would I want less bread? Why would I want less cheese? Why would I want less toppings? New York style pizza? Hot take. Hot take. I feel like New York pizza is just like greasy, flimsy cardboard. But I will still eat it. Like, pizza is pizza. Like, for me, I think it's hard to say between Chicago style and Detroit style for top. Let's just say Chicago style, Detroit style. Standard classic pizza, thin crust. And then somewhere down there is New York style. And then somewhere way, way down there is fucking California pizza because I don't know why, but pizza in California kind of sucked. Rude but accurate. I don't know what it is. I just feel like California can't make pizza. I'm sure they could make pizza, they just don't. Yeah, they have street tacos, that's fair. That's fair. California has a bunch of Italians? I have not had good pizza in California. Well, that's not true. I've had decent pizza, but it wasn't better than was no way in no way was it better than pizza that you would get anywhere else. Even in Little Italy. That is probably the best pizza I had though. But also I feel like Italian pizza isn't that great. Like it's good. But and you know, saying this as an Italian. Well, Italian American. Like I think this is one of the things where the yoink and twist that the US did to pizza is better than the OG. Oh, I typoed API. Fuck. Fixed. Meat Vendor says you grew up in the US and got used to its local taste. I went to Italy. I had pizza like every fucking day. I enjoyed it. But there's got nothing on this. Anthony Pizza tier ranking when? Yeah. Give me a tier list and we'll do it. In Europe, the thick pizza is called American style. API, what's the difference? A lot of wheels? Yeah. Seriously. Okay. I'm gonna go put this slice away. And wash my hands. And I'll be right back. All right, we back. Bloop. I also still have my shake, which I forgot about. Maybe I'll just leave it a little. Am I misunderstanding my last post? It's called American Pizza. We like it as well, of course. Ah, yes. Makes sense, makes sense. I got you, I got you. Okay, return value equals none as Mick. Yield Mick. Oh, we have to also this one. Fixture def marked commit status object GitHub API. Ismic yieldmic. Okay. And then we have mocked publish, mocked marketplace plan, and mocked commit status. We're also going to do this so that nothing bleeds through. Object GitHub API rec side effect equals this should not happen under test thing. That way, if we fuck up one of these mocks, such as this, it should raise, oh. Yeah, nice. Nice little error there. It is a good thing we wrote the test. Because it's broken. Because this is supposed to have a return here. Yeah, good job, past me. Tests are useful. Let's make sure this fails first. The mocks are a little spooky like that. Okay, so a successful run. Oh. Can do this. Mocked marketplace plan that the return value equals plan. Without a comma on the end. Should give us. Try comment out the test suck. Woosa! Hello, how you doing? You got moves like Jagger? Mick Jagger. I understand it now. First I was like, what? But now I got you. Now I got you. Mocked publish, mocked marketplace plan, mocked commit status. Don't need you. Don't need you at all. You probably found out online. Test private with plan. Oh, that means I gotta copy paste this whole fucking thing. No, I don't. I do. Fuck. Damn it. Hold on. Bloop, 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 bloop. Mocked marketplace plan that return value equals premium. I don't know if I can call it billions. It doesn't matter. Insert mocked publish dot call count is equal to 2. We're gonna set it to 2 so that we get an error, and then we'll set it to 1. It's nice. 1. Fuck, let's fucking go. Bye. Oh, I hate this. I know what this is. I know what this is. This is this line here. It doesn't know what to do with this splat. So we can instead do this, which I didn't want to do, but it's the same number of lines, and I guess it's fine. Alright. Oof, yeah. Which is, I just want to hang here for going to bed. I'm doing well. I'm doing well. Things are going. We're getting stuff done. Yeah, we did want to amend no edit. How did you know Control R? Oh, because it's the command I just ran. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So we're gonna do some special testing and development before we go to the prod. Oh, I don't want you to do that. Go away. So wait while GitHub Actions does its thing. Take a look at my shake. Still fairly solid. A plastic straw and a plastic straw wrapper, man, a rarity in West Coast. Yes, I'm using a straw as a spoon, but that's the way things go. Oh, it finished. Okay, so now, no, I click on it again. Deploy dev, please. A spoon is how you eat thick shakes. Yeah, yeah. Or I could get her a real spoon. I own spoons. Yo, look at this page. Look at this graph. Okay, in dev. Log into my other account. Oh, I guess we can run the check while it's going, so that we get at least get that one working. Trigger validation with lite, yes. Click at the button. What are you? Oh. That is it telling me that it deployed. Yes, indeed. Okay, log in with you. That password from a password manager, yes. Delete. And we need to make another repo. We need to make another repo. New repository, lite private. Private, create repository. I didn't name it like the other ones, that's fine. We're gonna delete it when we're done. We need to copy you. Where's the create file button? GitHub workflows main.yaml. We also need the pre-commit config. Yes. Yes. And then we need to go here and then make it a file. New file pre-commit config.yaml. Pop. The first one should have failed because the file didn't exist, right? Pre-commit config.yaml is not a file. Damn right it isn't. Oh my god. You wanna see something? Oh, it's a private tab, so we don't get to see it anymore. I got the most perplexing issue comment the other day. You search this. That's invalid manifest error. That's not the one we want. We want invalid config error. Why does it not have it? Why does it not show up? Issues. No, what did it just do? Invalid config error. Issues. This one. This one? Yeah. Invalid config error. Pre-commit config is not a file. This person had a typo. They made a file called pre.config. Pre.commit-config. And then this person was like, this is not informative error message and not informative answer. The error message should perhaps say, file does not exist at path, which is literally what it does. It's literally path is not a file. Don't know what they want. And then they didn't reply. Just fucking radio silence. This person realized they didn't know what the fuck they were talking about. Which is fine. That's how things go. Okay, so now we need to add you to pre-commit.ci lite, which I don't remember how to do. No. We needed to add it to... I don't know how to do this. I think if I just edit the URL. Aha! Editing the URL. Okay. Truly says, this is fucking exciting, guys. Are you trolling? Are you being facetious? I feel like your chat messages are just nonsense. What's going on? Welcome to the stream, Truly. Okay, we did that now. So now I should be able to make a commit. Add a reamd. Yeah, there we go. Empty, extra white space, sounds good. Commit. Oh, but it's not a pull request. Right. We gotta make a pull request. Shit. Should have done a pull request. Well, we'll fail first. Okay. Edit this, a little bit more white space. Make it a pull request. Oh, does it not let you create drafts? That was weird. Love to see you do the clicky clack. Oh, okay. Okay. That's good. I'm beeping and booping. Truly, I'm beeping and booping. Why did you fail? Oh, you're supposed to fail, yeah. And this did that, and then it should get another status here. There's no paid plan set up. Private repos require a paid plan, and this takes you to this page, which doesn't exist yet. Does it exist here? Yeah, I just haven't filled it out yet. Okay. That's good. Did this pass? It did. Okay. In theory, that works. Then I just have to do the business side of things. And I'm going to do that off stream because it involves a bunch of personal information. And I don't want to show you all. Smile. But yeah, I think that's going to wrap us up for today. We did some things, and I will do the business parts of it later. Are you a businessman? I'm a businessman, and I'm doing my business. I actually have that saved somewhere because Rob deleted all of his videos. Businessman.mp4. Oh, literally, that's what the file is. I'll post in the Discord. But yeah, that's gonna wrap us up.